Period.
Yes.
What to be period said? Period. I go check your test table now. Maybe go see the period for then now.
Haven't you heard of Skyward Entertainment?
Yes.
Home of entertainment.
Subscribe.
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 Subscribe. Subscribe. Subscribe. Now.
Baby, how far now?
Fine.
Everything's okay now.
Everything's fine.
You too sweet today, oh. You sweet anyhow.
Really?
The way you give me today, oh boy, my head can't they make my dada can't they lose.
Yeah.
See that style when you give me. I never even see this kind of style before since when I was born. You sabi amo. You sweet finish. See, ma, I tell you something. You know, say I love you. I can die because of you. I will do anything because of you. Sure, you know. I love you more than as I still love my mother.
Hey.
You understand?
I already know.
After God, now you.
I know.
I love you so much.
I love you too, my
I love you.
You are the best.
I don't find my future wife.
Hey.
Oh, see my baby. Oh, I miss you. When you still come again now?
Maybe tomorrow night, anytime what you want. Just call me.
I'll call you because this one not be anytime when I want. You don't need this one every time. You understand?
I see the out.
I see the out.
I see the out now.
Okay.
Eh?
Probably not there now. Tomorrow you come now, yeah?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, I want to buy something. Yeah, give me a kiss now.
Yeah.
Take off yourself, oh.
Baby, you're too sweet.
No let another man or another boy look you. If I see I will keep person.
Baby, forget about that one. For all this love, where they show me so. No. I have to talk about that kind of thing.
You sure say love me too?
Hey, see my sweet baby.
Okay now. I'll see you now. Yeah?
No problem. Take care of yourself.
No problem.
Take care of yourself.
Shake it, not
be a
there.
good boy.
Okay.
Okay.
I want to go buy something. I forget money for inside house. Okay, now I'll call you now. We'll see you tomorrow now.
Alright, my
baby. Take care of yourself. Not let this Euro boys, not let them look you. I beg you.
I think they there. I don't come
out.
out.
If they walk out for you there, all these small boys where they do, where they look like this, I beg you. If they call you, tell us so you don't marry. Yeah?
Yeah, baby, don't worry. Nothing they happen. I'm on your side. Okay, now later now. Choose.
Okay now.
Larry! Hey! Is this you?
Are you not feeling cold?
I'm not feeling cold though. I need to look good for my sweet boyfriend. You know now.
Hey! This boyfriend thing. They will just waste your life.
Forget about that, Jerry. My boyfriend is not like that. Hey!
They will just waste your life and forget it. Pack you somewhere. I have been there. They will just lie to you, give you something, and just waste your life, forget you. There is no love in Europe. Even coming from an African man, forget it. Bet me. I have been there. So you can see what came out from it.
See, my boyfriend is not like that. My boyfriend, if I tell him to cook for me, he will cook for me. If I tell him to wash my undies, he will wash it for me. Even if I tell him to go and wash plates, he will wash plates for me. Even if I ask him to buy car for me, he will still buy car for me. Nothing I go ask him when not fit do for. My guy is too much. So I can't tell him to buy me human hair, long human hair, he will buy it for me. So my guy is not like that, please.
You are talking about human hair. I'm telling you about your life. They will just waste your life, forget you, and pass it somewhere. And continue with their life. I have been there before. You can see me now. I'm born one mother, no father. And I'm here. I'm advising you. Are you telling me, boyfriend, shakara woman of the season? There is no love in Europe. Boys, forget them. Concentrate on your future.
See. My boyfriend is not like that. Eh? All these things you are just saying them. My boyfriend is not like that. Eh? You are just funny.
Oh, it's true. I'm not
just see the way I'm laughing at you now. Because I know my guy. My guy, anything why I ask him, anything, is ready to spend it for me. Hey!
Which one? Is it DJ Stonebwoy or which boyfriend? These African boys.
My boyfriend, you already know.
And I'm telling you what they can do. Change before your life end up somewhere. If you like it, let's try something. Let's bet on something. Try this your boyfriend and see how it will end you up. See whether he truly loves you or he's just trying to do you, waste your life, useless your life, useless, anything that you want to waste your life with, then you pass by.
Let's try it. What do you have to say? I trust my guy.
If you like, let us. You are laughing. Why are you laughing?
Oh, hey, is that all? Just that small thing. Hey, forget about that one. My boyfriend, where they carry me like raw egg, make I not break for ground. Don't worry, tomorrow.
Let's bet on it.
Bet.
Okay.
Tomorrow, I'll be going to his house. Then I will give you feedback. Look at this woman. I beg you, just say something else, please.
I have been there. Florence.
Oh.
Yeah. Let me enter.
Easy. You don't mind your business. Your own is too much. Don't worry, I will give you feedback.
Okay.
Talk. Oh. Please, see you some other time, Joe. My boyfriend will be inside. Make a press this there.
Not be my birthday, so I do not expect anybody. I'm coming. Hold on, please. I'm coming. See my baby.
I'm looking so good.
Hey, awesome. How are you?
I'm fine, though.
Let's see my baby.
Oh, like I'm preparing something. See, every day you they sent me, no.
I prepare something.
I believe you.
How you doing now?
Hey, I did fine, no. See, everywhere they sent.
Everywhere they sent to.
Man, everywhere they sent.
Not be small to my baby. I know they prepare rice and stew, but I don't get that for us, shall.
You don't get rice?
No.
Oh, I'm small thing now.
But I'm surprised to see you. I don't know, say you not tell me say they come.
You the best as I come.
No, not the best.
I get good news for you.
Good news?
Yes, so.
That's my baby. You can't look for me.
Every day, Sha. I must confess.
I'm looking good, Abi.
You are looking really good.
You love me like this.
Oh, baby, very sweet.
Oh, that's my baby.
I love you, die, my baby.
Ah, what's the soap now?
I get good news for you.
Good news for
Guess.
me. Guess. No sir, be the guess. Now make I
guess. Now.
You see money pick for grand.
You have still done my spirit.
You say good news now. No say I like money. I just say now money they talk about now.
Well, I tell you the good news. I don't say you know they good, so they guess all these things. You
yeah, my baby.
Well,
okay.
I miss my period.
You miss your period?
Yes.
What do you period say? Period. I go check your times table now. Maybe go see the period for there now. Times table, go check now. Now that one they happy for.
Oh my God. Which one see the times table again?
You say you miss your period. Now say me go check your times table. I just say maybe you want to tell me say you see money pick for grand. My boyfriend can't carry money. I just know that one you want to tell me. I don't know say na times table they talk about.
What be times table? I say I miss my period. My monthly flow I don't see am.
Monthly dues.
Waiting now. Why they do that small picking?
I don't understand now. Which one be period monthly due for inside? I don't understand what they talk
now. I don't see that thing where woman they see every month. It don't come out.
I don't understand. I don't be good news when I tell me. What be that one? I don't understand.
If you say I get belly, I get belly for you, my love. Oh, pop champagne. Baby. I say I get belly for you. Baby, what's in her? I'll tell you anything,
no, I don't understand. Wait, I don't understand. You get belly for me?
I get belly for you, man.
Come. All that for that.
Only what now?
What's happen? Now that be the good news. You say you want to tell me. You get belly. You carry another person. Picking can't give me. You tell say, I get belly for you.
Treasure.
See, make I tell you something. Wait, you know that you don't understand. You tell me you get good news for me.
Yes.
Now this one be the good news.
Yes, treasure.
You think say I don't know as everybody tell they sleep with you for this area?
Jesus.
You think I don't know? Make I tell you something. Michael, they tell me say Michael don't sleep with you. They tell me say Gabriel don't sleep with you. They tell me say Paul don't sleep with you. They tell me say this person say whether I don't forget the person. They say don't sleep with you. Then you can't pass all of them. You know, cause the person carry belly give. You can't say that stone boy. Nah, get the belly. Nah, responsible for your pregnancy.
Treasure. Hey, Jesus. If person tell me say you go do me this one, I'm not going to believe at all. May somebody wake me for a dream where I can dream. Oh Jesus, treasure. Treasure! Why they tell me say you love me? Now this one you come down to tell me now.
See, as I just you come meet me when they cook abi, and this belly will carry, not be my own. Not be my own. See,
Jesus.
From today go, I'm fed up for this relationship.
Hey!
I don't need the deal. You carry this belly go give Gabriel. Not be my belly.
Hey.
You hear me? So carry the belly go give Gabriel. As I did, so I'm not continue this relationship again. I don't tell you because they tell me so you be a shadow. Everybody tell me so they sleep with everybody. You can't even come give me. I better come up from my house.
Jesus!
Come up from my house.
Treasure! Come on, they don't do like this.
Carry your jacket. Take.
Treasure, no me, treasure.
Take. Me come up from my house. This is not better.
Treasure!
You come up from my house. I don't need the gate. Carry the belly go give.
Treasure, they pursue me come up from your house.
Go give Peter.
Treasure!
Carry belly go give Peter.
Treasure!
Come up from my house. They go. I said make they go.
Oh Jesus!
They go.
Believe me.
They go.
Jesus!
Come on.
Jesus!
I said come up from my house. Come on. Come up from my house. I don't need the gate. Come up from my house. They go.
Oh Jesus! Treasure!
They go.
Oh my
Come up from
God!
my house.
Jesus!
Come on. They go.
Treasure, you can't do this to me. Why? What I do you? What we do you?
Not me get this belly.
Treasure, what we do you?
Not me get this belly.
Please, Treasure.
I said not me get this belly. Not me.
Treasure.
I beg.
Treasure.
Come up from my house.
Treasure.
Carry the belly go give Peter. Come up from my house. What's it with this one now? I could just say here, do my own decree, say na me get belly. This guy go tell me this kind of thing. Don't pass everybody. Come give me the belly, say na me get belly. Na me love pass. Which can't be this one? You get good news from me. I say that money is still for grand. Sister na better thing want tell me. Come tell me say she get belle for me. Now me get that belle. Just now me get the belle. No, not be me get the belle. Make God give Peter, now Peter get the belle. They crazy. Make come out from my house.
This probably was the thing saying love me. Stonebwoy really to me this thing, my treasure. Oh, Jesus. What did this woman really talk about truth? Oh God. Hey, girl. My boyfriend, you have to do me this kind of thing. My boyfriend, you have to do me this kind of thing. Boyfriend, my boyfriend, you have to do me this kind of thing. Now me, you have to beat like this. So, person, why you trust? Person, why I trust? I come over the door, say this boy, you have to do me this kind of thing. Oh God, my friend really tell me this thing.
Oh, why are you crying? Floris, it's okay, it's okay.
It's about what you told me the last time. You told me to make I test my guy. My tell us I get belle, me smash what he go do. Oh God! And today now I know say love not really there Europe. Could you imagine my guy denied everything? If you see what my guy do me, oh God!
I told you so. I told you there is no love in Europe. I told you there is no love anywhere in Europe. Even coming from an African guy. Forget it. You were laughing at me. Now you see, this is the reason why single mothers are everywhere. Full around the world. Just holding children everywhere. No father. Everywhere is just scattered with single mother here, single mother there, single mother there. I told you. How I wish you were truly pregnant. You would have seen the end of your future.
Now I believe what you said. When you said love, not this Europe. Now I believe every bit of it. Oh God. So I can't get pregnant. Truth. I can't really get pregnant. That's what this boy for can't deny my pregnancy. Oh God. Oh. Now thunder. When they do press off, then go kill this boy. Then go fire this boy.
Amen. Now really tender. When they do press up, when they go gym, when they do six pack, and they fire that boy. Ha! Take it easy anyway. Take it easy. Look at they go come. I'll come they console you, huh? Take it easy, okay? This boy. your life.
Come.
Is it not you?
Yeah, it's me. What's happened? Who you come to hold me for road like that?
I don't hold you for road. That your girlfriend, Floris. What happened to her?
What be my sister, make her tell you if you mention that girl name for you again, then I go slap you.
Slap you?
Every time you say that girl is my girlfriend. You know, wait, make I tell you something. You know, say that girl, nah, Ashawo. Everybody don't sleep with that girl for this area. This person, Michael, don't sleep with her. Paul, don't sleep with her. Martis, don't sleep with her. All my friends, as all the guys stay there this area, they don't sleep with that girl. She can't carry belle, can't carry and can't give me. Stone boy, say na me get belle, na me love pass. Can you imagine? Na me sabi they give belle.
Congratulations.
Yes.
The two of us planned this thing together.
Plan what?
She's never pregnant. She was so much in love with you. We decided to test you because she's always bragging. She loves you, she loves with all her heart. You are the special man in the world. And we decided to test you to see whether you truly love her. And you passed very well. 100 over 100. Congratulations. Clap for yourself. Dance for yourself.
Wait.
You do all.
I know that.
You thought she was pregnant. Had it been that she's truly pregnant, this is how you could have wasted her life around, making her a single mother. That is why people make single mothers food everywhere. When you carry this pot, single mother. You carry this container, single mother. Single mother food everywhere here in Europe. You just deceive the girls, just waste their life. No, just like that.
Wait, I know that. So you want to tell me, say, my girlfriend no get belle? Say na test. Now she can't test me.
She was never pregnant. She is not pregnant. And she will not be pregnant for you too. We just tested you. And you passed very well. Clap for yourself. 100 over 100. You don't miss a mark. Good one there.
These girls will not do me. Not do me. Na cause Belete set me up.
Who used Bele set you up? Who used Bele? See your life. Idiot. Somebody used Bele set. Dog sleep with her. Fowl sleep with her. But they give you what you want to do your stupid nonsense. This Europe boy. They will never.
Na God go punish you. Na God go punish you now. See you. Una want set me up. Una no use another thing. Una can't go use Bele. Pregnant. Una no say DJ Stone Boy can never accept Bele at all. Why na no use another thing? When be say na Bele na can't use for me. Na no say Stone Boy no go ever agree for that kind of thing. And that my girlfriend, your friend, rich. Now someone you got a loser. Now someone you got to lose my girlfriend. Hey, how this guy they get sense? Then they wise. They get sense. This way happen to me today can never happen to me again. Never. I don't learn lesson. I believe say my brothers where they over there where they do the same thing when they do. I believe say they go learn. They go learn. They go learn. But I see what happened to me. But could I learn for what happened to me? My girlfriend. Una no fit use money to set me up. Una not see another thing when I want to set me up. Una come say na Bele. Bele, who go accept Bele for this kind of time when money never there? Now
you be this.
Yes, because now your ass I be even they come just now. Understand now your ass are they come because I see your girlfriend. Your girlfriend, they tell me say you not really get belle, say na set up because in my understand in my no.
You can't go find you. No, I don't understand. What you they try? You they talk. That's why you they talk. I been so your mouth be. I don't understand. What you they talk?
Na really set up.
I bet shut up. Shut up for there. You look me say me. No. I don't even understand. You look me say me. I be like small picking for your eye. I be like small picking for your eye. They really talk and say on where they Europe. Now so now they behave. So how did be me? I just get belle now. Now so if you just stay doing, you just tell me say the relationship is over, like over. So I just say make I just tempt you that day now. Now you just fall put. Hey, oh man. Now so now be. I don't know. I don't want expect that from you. So now so you just rich.
Deny you. Me deny you. I the craze. Me stone boy. Deny you. Me the craze. Fine girl like you. Baby, I not go feel deny you. That day I was your joking. I just say my bad test you. See, I'm not responsible. Not be me. Now so this one get the belly. Now so now this one sleep with you. You just see carry this. Now joke I do. I was just joking.
I mean, shut up. Shut up. Hey, shut up your mouth for them. I mean, you look me say me. I be like smoking for you. Me be like smoking for your eye. Then little person na so na go dey Europe na so na be. So how we say I don't tempt you that na so for your girl belle now really. Then like really you come deny me.
Deny you are the craze. I go deny you fine girl like this. Are the craze? Stop where the craze. How me go deny you? I was just joking. I just say man I test you. You know.
See, if you see me they pass this side again, next time when you pass here.
I beg now.
If you see me pass here, pass here, oh.
I beg.
Pass here, oh.
Yeah.
Pass here.
I beg now. Not say I love you now. I beg now, baby.
God punish you there. Love kill your head. The craze, stupid boy, idiot. Idiot, now you be fool. Look at it. Idiot. Fool. Waka.
Oh, wetin dey happen? Make una see this girl when I your miss now. As I your love this girl reach. Now my bad friends so now they advise me. They say they not they see better women for Europe. They say me person not go carry belle wey not be you put for us. They say me I not trust women. They say they not they trust women for Europe now. So my friend they advise me. See wetin they advise me now. See wetin can't cause on my body now. As I your love this girl reach. I don't even know say this guy they test me. I don't even know. My friend go say stone boy. They don't they trust women. Some go you carry another belle con. They'll come put on for your heart. They'll say now you get on. They say that they deny pregnancy. Now so that they tell me see my own nana. See my own. I beg that beg go I beg. I can't make it yet. Now go kill this my friend so.